later.
You eat. That's 20 pieces daw. Ayan, happy birthday! It's February is coming. So happy 49? Happy 50th birthday!
Yes.
Happy 50th birthday!
Thank you.
Ayan. Be happy. Be blessed always. Huh?
Thank you, Te.
Oh, thank you also for always being so nice. To your kids, as well Nante wish, and also for being so loving mom to our dearest princess, Joy. Okay.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning. Sa mga natutulog, pasensya na kayo, dito na kami. Tulog pa kayo eh. Sayang, isang sana sa Chelsea ko. Taranta ako kakahanap sa'yo eh. Hindi ko na ipasara yung pintuan dun eh. I'm sorry. That's for personal. Okay, over na. Sige na, upo kayo dun, no? Upo dun. Be, ayusin mga yung table, be. Upo si nanay. Hayaan mo lang siya, oo. Sabi niya, tatay, mag-picture nga kasi nga. Oh, yan. Be, ano mo ng konting ganito, be? Glenn, yung table. Salamat po. Salamat. Oh. Yeah, sige. Let's do like this. Yan. Sige, tatay. Move ka dun. Kukuha ako ng food. Anong gusto niyo? Off ko na.
Bakit yung nauwi doon?
Ha? Hello, Kayan. Anula. Good morning. Gangsang dito. Gangsang dito. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 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 사랑해. 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 사랑해.
Sarangi.
Ito na.
안녕하세요. Thank you po, Tita Lenen, Kuya Ivan, Tito Taigon, Saraneo, Papa.
Ang ganda niya.
Smile. Tay, susugan mo na. Picture ba yan, Te?
Video.
Video daw, video. Hello.
Hello. Ano yun?
Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, anak. Ivan, thank you. Love you.
Thank Thank you, Tego.
Thank you for the time, for giving us the time, prayers and money and love. Thank you always for the great support.
Bye-bye.
God bless you.
We miss you.
Thank you always for sharing your allowance with the tatay, nanay, with us. With tita May. Hello, tatay. Ang kaya yung tsura niya? Ang dami nakapila kasi.
Oh, nag-trigger ka, te.
Ay,
Lola.
curious ako.
Kasi ano yan, Lola Nenes. Masarap yan, te.
Sige na, i-open na. Ang gandahan.
Mayroon palang plaster.
Later.
Eat. Hello, Ben. Hello. Pasosyal si Kuya, oh. Ben. Wave pa yan? Wave na yan, Be? Ah. Maganda pala.
Dalang mo kayo, go! Wala pa talaga.
Lord, thank you for having us this food.
Thank you,
The blessings. I
the
really love to
treat.
share with my loved ones. And one
Thank
of
you,
my
Ate,
loved
for the
ones.
treat.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks be to God. To Ariel, Tita's gift, Papa God's gift to us, to Tita, Ariel, Chelsea. Be blessed always, study hard. God bless you. God bless us. Sige na, let us eat na.
Another foods. Thank you.
Amen.
Amen.
Saan mo natutunan yan?
Sabihin mo